When you start your next DIY project, before you buy any new materials, take a look around your garage or workshop. You might be able to repurpose the materials you already have for that project. Our rolling table project started with an old shelf and leftover deck railing supports. Most people would have thrown these materials away, but Must-Own Tools repurposed them. I kept them because I knew they could be used for a future project. The repurposed shelf was cut in half to create two new tabletops. The legs came from those old deck railing supports. I already had the dowels, sandpaper, and polyurethane available. The only materials I needed to purchase were wheels and L brackets. When the project was done, my total out-of-pocket cost was less than $30. A similar table would have cost between $100 and $150 to purchase. When you think about it, that's real savings from me using repurposed materials that we already had. But the best part wasn't saving the money. The best part was using materials that were headed for the landfill, repurposing them and turning them into something useful. Keeping our building materials out of the trash is one of the many reasons we enjoy using repurposed materials for DIY projects. The satisfaction of building something ourselves is hard to beat. At Must-Own Tools, we believe in repairing, repurposing, and recycling materials whenever possible. So, before you buy new materials, check your scrap pile and repurpose materials left over from old projects. Who knows, you might already have what you need for your next DIY project.